Okay, so here we are. This is Starlight Cove right over there. Behind Steve is Parsons Landing. There's Liz and John.
Behind Liz is John.
Yeah. So we're going to do a little diving today. There's a bunch of kelp over there. So I'll be swimming into the current and then take the current back, hopefully.
Please note Mark's awesome Salt Life hat. Apparently
Yeah.
that's a Florida thing.
Yeah, I got this in Florida from my buddy Chuck. Thanks, Chuck. Okay, we're headed back from Catalina. We just had an awesome dive.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
I don't feel good.
Yeah.
I don't feel good.
Yeah, this guy right here is going to throw up any
I'm
second.
not throwing up. I don't feel good.
All right.
You want a beer?
No.
So, yeah, well, 2 great dives at Parsons Landing. Well, actually, Starlight Cove, right next to Parsons. Yeah, awesome diving. I'm going to post a video. You'll see a little bit of what I'm talking about. Pretty awesome. Lots to see. Really good day. So now, pretty bumpy coming over, and it's very bumpy going back, but we have following seas, so that's helping. Alright. And man, what an awesome day of diving. So if that is the last dive I do with this boat, then I'm good, because that was really awesome 2 dives. My camera, my GoPro, only caught the first dive, so that's the one I'm going to share. If you enjoyed what you saw today, give a thumbs up. give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to try to keep making videos as long as I have this boat. All right?